Are you looking for a fantastic gift for yourself and your partner? Or perhaps want to try something new? Then the LoveBoxxx Romantic Couples Box is the perfect choice for you. This set contains various toys both for men and women to experiment and try new sensations. It comes in a luxurious discreet box with a beautiful design. The set includes the following products. Over here we have a feather tickler with a strong and sturdy handle, and the soft feathers provide a wonderful tingling sensation. Next up we have some sex dice. This is a really fun game for you and your partners to play. Simply roll the dice and try the different positions as the dice says. It's a really fun and naughty way to try out challenging things. Next up we have a luxury toy bag. This is perfect to carry your toys around in discreetly. Simply pop the toys in like so, and using the drawstring, seal it shut and no one will ever know. Over here we have a clitoris vibrator. This little vibrator is very powerful. It has two arms just here which are both flexible to provide wonderful pinpoint stimulation of the clitoris. It's also made of a soft silicone material so it feels really soft on the skin. To turn on, simply press and hold down on the button below and it's on. You can enjoy the wonderful vibrations that come with this clitoral vibrator. To turn off, simply press and hold on the same button and now it's off. It's also very simple and easy to recharge. Using the USB charging cable provided, simply slot it in like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. If we look over here, we have a vibrating cock ring. The material is stretchy to ensure the perfect fit. It's also made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth on the skin, and also has little nubs here which is perfect for stimulating the clitoris as well. It comes with a vibrating billet on the inside. To turn on, simply push the button like so, and the vibrations begin. These deliver soft vibrations, so it's perfect for beginners. To turn off, simply push down and the vibrations stop. Next up, we have a vibration egg. This is perfect for vaginal stimulation and also comes with a remote control so your partner can control your vibrations. It's very simple and easy to use. Simply press and hold down on the button at the back and a blue light will appear. This indicates the egg is on. Press once more and the vibrations begin. Press the same button to increase the vibration intensity. To use the remote control, press and hold down on the bottom button. You will feel a change in the vibration. This means it's connected. Using the plus or the minus button, you can determine how strong you want the vibrations to be. To turn off the remote control, press and hold down, and the egg will stop. To turn off the egg, simply press and hold down until the blue light stops flashing. To charge, use the little tail below and unscrew like so. And using the USB charger included, simply pop it in like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. So, are you ready for a bit more romance? Why not head to the link below and find out more information on our romantic couples set. Now's the time to enjoy each other better than ever before.